Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change home screen wallpaper in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to wallpaper and style. Here click on change wallpapers and select any wallpaper from featured available here. Okay. You can also set your video as wallpaper here, video file. Okay, I select this one and click on done, and yes, wallpaper has been now changed in home screen. See the changes. Okay, if you would like to keep any photo as wallpaper, home screen wallpaper, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is again go to the same settings and go to wallpaper and style, and here click on home screen wallpaper and click on change wallpapers, and here go to gallery and select any photo and click on done, and here untick lock screen so that it will be applied only in home screen. Click on next and click on done, and this photo will be applied to the home screen wallpaper. See the changes. Home screen wallpaper has been changed to what I select from local gallery. Okay, so in this way you can easily change home screen wallpaper in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.